Hello everybody and welcome to Sprinkle Time. In this video, we will be assembling an edible shovel. These are all the ingredients we'll be using. We'll be making some Rice Krispies, we've got some cake, icing, and this is our fondant. I colored it yellow. We've added in some graham crackers for some sand detail, and of course, our sprinkles. These are pineapple sprinkles. Alright, let's jump right into it. We'll be making these Rice Krispies according to package instructions. This recipe required some butter. And then we're going to go ahead and spread that out. We'll use a rolling pin to kind of roll it out. I wanted to add the sprinkles in the center and then roll it up so that when you bite into it, all the sprinkles would come out, but that did not work out so well. So we ended up just blending it into one big mush and hope for the best. This was our first time trying to make a realistic looking object, so it didn't go the greatest, but hopefully you'll see some progress in later videos. One big mess. It's okay, we can still fix it. Alright, now that we've got it shaped up, let's cut it. And I drew this shovel on parchment piece of paper, flipped it upside down, and now let's shape the Rice Krispies to that shape. Now let's take our cake and mix it with the icing so it's more workable. Let's take that cake and shape it over the Rice Krispie to make it more smooth. That looks a lot better. Okay, so let's roll out the fondant. We roll it out very thin. We've actually added a few layers of fondant on this just to give it some extra shape. Perfect. Okay, time to trim that over the shovel. This takes a little bit of time. We'll add in some extra detail to the fondant. And there we go. It's still kind of wobbly. We wouldn't be able to pick it up, so we thought we would bake a cookie and stick it at the back to give it some more structure. So this is some frozen royal icing that I had lying around. And we're just going to spread that over the cookie. And then we're going to take that cookie and stick it onto the back. And hopefully that will give the shovel a little bit more structure. It's still kind of wobbly, but it's much better. Alright, so I've added this glue, this edible glue, and we're going to add the graham crumbs to make it look like sand. Everything about this cake is edible. Alright, there we have it. And here's our final result. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like this video, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!